The question is, the kinetic energies of a planet in an elliptical orbit about the Sun at positions A, B and C are Ka, Kb and Kc respectively. AC is the major axis and SB is perpendicular to AC at the position of the Sun S as shown in the figure. Then, which of the following options is the correct option? So, according to Kepler's Kepler's law, dA by dt is constant, and t square is directly proportional to r cube. Therefore, the order for kinetic energies will be Ka greater than Kb greater than Kc, which is the second option. Yes, the second option is right.